This is the CAT Gen 7 Combat Application Tourniquet. The CAT has been used by the U.S. military since 2005, and it has helped save countless lives. It's designed for easy self-application, but it can also work well in a buddy aid situation. I'm going to show you the proper way to apply the CAT to an arm wound. Let's say my buddy has an arm wound about right here. You want the CAT to sit 2 to 3 inches above the injury. For most people, that's about 3 finger widths. So you want the CAT to go about here. Ideally, the CAT should be applied directly to bare skin. You can apply the CAT temporarily over clothing, making sure there are no solid objects in the way. Loosen the CAT and then slide it over the injured arm. When it's in the right spot, pull the band tight. Then secure it back around itself, but not over the rod clips. The CAT is tight enough when you're unable to fit 3 fingers underneath it. If it's too loose, pull the band open, tighten it, refasten it, and recheck its tightness. Now twist the rod. Your goal is to get the CAT tight enough to stop the bleeding. Lock the rod into place and check for bleeding and a distal pulse. If there's still bleeding or a distal pulse, you can tighten the CAT with the rod or even consider applying a second CAT right above the first. Once the bleeding has stopped and you can no longer feel a distal pulse, the CAT is properly tightened. Now you can route the band between the clips and over the rod. Secure the band with the time strap and record the time of application on the time strap. That's all there is to applying the CAT Gen 7 to your buddy's arm. Quick, simple, and it could save their life.